Hi, I'm Kelly from House of Soul, and today I'm going to be giving you a 2-minute tip. Today we're going to be looking at private browsers or incognito windows. They're basically a little helpful tool for checking that whatever link that you're going to send out is the right version of that link. You know, when you go to your Facebook or your LinkedIn and you're ready to share something, and you take the link just from the top part, and then you paste it, and then come to find out that it's asking you to log in and it shows your analytics or something weird. You can get rid of all of that by opening up in a new window. These private windows or incognito windows help you check things. So in under 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so here we are in my Google Drive. I've got it open on Chrome, and I'm going to test to make sure that the link that I want to send to my staff is open for them to look at and make sure it contains everything that I want. So we go to this 2020 staff folder, we'll grab the link, copy, and I've checked my settings. So now I want to make sure that I've got this all right. So I'm going to go File, New Incognito Window, and you can see the shortcut here is Shift Command N. So I can either just click right here, or I can do Command Shift N, and it'll open up a new incognito window in Chrome. You've got incognito, it's nice and sneaky. Instead of having my name at the top, it has this little symbol. And when I go and I check my link now, I paste it in here. I haven't signed in, and yet I can see what's inside here. And it's the stuff that I wanted my staff to be able to see: their newsletters, their schedules, their certificate making form, or their timekeeping form. Fantastic. So Chrome out of the way. Safari has the same shortcut. We do File, it's called a private window, or again, Command Shift N. And this one's not as obvious, but it's just a dark window for the address. Just looks slightly different. And the last one that we're going to check is for a few of you that still use Firefox. The difference here is instead of Command Shift N, it's Command Shift P, which is a private window. And it just, again, slightly different here. And I can see it up here that I've got the little bandit eyes. So again, I can check this link. Don't have to be logged into anything. It's still offering me to sign in, and I can see everything that my staff wanted to look at. And that's today's 2-minute tip from House of Soul. I'm Kelly, and please remember to like and subscribe to get more information like this. Those private and incognito windows are great for checking those public links before you send them out to the world. They're also great from getting sponsored and targeted ads when you're searching for things you don't want other people to see.